Hello, my name is Arushi Mishra. I come from Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh, and I have done my graduation from IIT Roorkee. And last year in 2018, I have been selected in Indian Forest Services, and this is my civils attempt, and I have taken socio as my optional. My association with IS Gurukul, that was probably the watershed moment for me in the course of preparation, where I realized that even a slightest mistake can lead to a very wrong direction. So it helped me a lot in understanding. I am very sure that this helped me to notice my blunders, and then I recorrect it and appear in the civil services real examination. So I'm very thankful to the team, and I hope all the best for all the coming aspirants, and especially in the times that are very uncertain. I wish you all the best and take good care of your family, your health, and studies as well. The primary question arises that why I have taken socio as an optional. It is because of its relevance in the contemporary times. Then it is easier to understand because it is the things that are happening around you. Apart from that, it has a huge overlap with your GS as well as essay subject. Then coming to the point that how it has helped me in appearing for the interview. Socio as a subject helped me to give a very inclusive answer, where I can take views and the considerations of all the members of the society. So it helps me in giving different perspectives, different dimensions. So it has helped me considerably in enlarging my perspectives for the interview. Then coming for the fact that how it helps in essay. So essay in one section, it is one, there is very obvious that one of the topic is directly related to sociological analysis. So it helps in that. And secondly, there, if at all it is not there, then it helps in bringing different perspectives, and especially a very grand introduction and as well as conclusion. Then if we talk about the my strategy to study socio, it has been primarily that I have referred books, for example Nitin Sangwan and Haralombus, and I have referred notes available of sir. After reading all these subjects, all these notes, I went through the past year's papers, and as well as the question and answer solved materials that I revised and I added on with my understanding, and as well as added the contemporary examples in every dimension of the subject. So it helps me to gain better insight that how the traditional and the theoretical aspects have to be utilized while writing the answers, as well as how to contemporarily relate anything that is being asked in the question. Then coming to the fact that how important is the answer writing in the preparation of UPSC, it is very important because with respect to optional, you need to be very aware and very quick in choosing the three unknown or the choice based questions that you are supposed to write, and for that you need to be very thorough with your answer writing, so that you do not waste time in selecting the questions, rather than you spend time in increasing the quality of the answers. And it is also very important when we talk about answer writing in mains GS, because there are 20 questions and there is very limited time, and since the competition has increased many folds, so it needs a very perfect balance, where one needs to balance about the facts and the analysis of the question. So if you have done a lot of practice, then what happens is that you learn how to write an answer in 7.5 minutes, and that too without degrading the quality from the start to the end. So this is primarily basic about how I prepare.